for joining me today. And today I will be talking to you guys about what to do when a girl looks at you. Okay? So, if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. I give you guys dating advice. So, if you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Everyone, turn on your post notifications because, like I said, I give you guys dating advice that will help you guys get the woman of your dreams. Okay? Hit this video with a like. Share this video with someone that you think will need to hear it. Okay, so let's go right into it. If you see a girl, right, what to do when a girl is looking at you? If you see a girl looking at you and you don't approach, I mean, look, on this channel I'm trying to teach you guys how to be alpha, right? So alpha guys go for what they want. They go for what they want, right? I teach you guys how to cold approach, that's fine. But when a girl looks at you, and I'm going to go into detail about the different kinds of look that you get, but once she gives you that look that I'm going to tell you about, you have to grow some balls and just go and approach her, right? And now here's the thing. If a chick looks at you that you don't like, sure, don't say anything. But don't make that an excuse. If she's cute, just go up and say hi. You know what I'm saying? If not for anything, at least practice. Right, so I'm going to go into I will say like 4 things that I'm thinking of that can help you guys when you guys see a girl looking at you. So the first one is when you see a girl looking at you, right? When you see a girl looking at you, she makes eye contact with you. I want you guys to look back at her, look away, and then look back at her again. If she's still looking at you, and you can tell that she's looking at you, go up and approach. Number 2. Now here's the thing, all right? Number 2 kind of, it's like you are trying to, this next part, you're trying to gauge her interest in you. Was it that she looked at you because she was like kind of looking in your direction, or if she was like, you know, like something weird on your clothes or something, right? So you want to look at her and you want to maintain eye contact with her. Usually, if a girl is not interested in you, she will look and look away. But if she's interested in you, she will maintain eye contact, and you need to have the balls to maintain eye contact. The worst thing you could do is when a girl looks at you and you kind of like nervously kind of like look away. And I know for guys that are not good with girls and are getting better, this is kind of nerve-wracking, you know, like that eye contact with that beautiful woman. I know how it is, right? But here's something that you could do to help you actually build that confidence. So when you walk by people on the street, make eye contact with them. Nod, say hi, even guys, right? Now, obviously, you're not going to be approaching guys, but everyone that you walk past, make it a daily and conscious thing that you would make eye contact with every single person, right? Maintain eye contact with them until they break it. If you make a mistake and kind of like drop your eyes, sure, that's fine. Don't beat yourself up. You're trying to get better at this, right? It takes practice to get better at something. So maintain eye contact and make sure that you don't look away until that person looks away. So at least when you get that eye contact from the girl that you like, you can maintain that eye contact and, you know, give her that smile, that nod. You know, you're going to look at her. And when I say eye contact, I don't mean like just staring down at her like, whoa, what the heck? No, it's like a soft, gentle eye contact, you know, letting her know that you are an alpha male, that you are a masculine man, right? And you're not afraid of her, and you are confident enough to actually maintain that eye contact. Now, the thing I want you to do is when you give her the eye contact, right, you're going to smile at her and kind of like do that, like smile and that, right? Now she's gonna give you eye contact, and as she's giving you eye contact, she's gonna smile too, right? Now here's the third thing that I want you guys to notice when it comes to approaching, when it comes to the approach, right? 99% of girls never approach guys. They never do. So that's why this eye contact thing is very important for you guys when you see it to approach, because girls, that's the way they let a guy know that they are interested, right? A girl will never approach a guy. Trust me, most girls will die virgins if no one ever approached them. Literally, right? Because girls, they never approach guys. What they do is that they give out signals. So one of the most powerful signals a girl can give to a guy that she likes is eye contact and maintaining it and giving him a smile. That's a way of her letting him know that, hey, look, if you want this pussy, come and get it, right? If you want this vagine, come and get it, straight up. Okay, so when you see a girl, right, and she gives you that eye contact, the next thing I want you to do is once she breaks that eye contact, I want you to just walk straight up to her. Here's the thing. You don't have to wait until she breaks eye contact. You could actually just walk up to her as she's looking at you, right? Now, if she breaks eye contact, that's fine. That's what we want. You're going to walk up to her and you're going to walk up to her confidently, right? Then I want you to say this. Use this line. I use this and I want you to use it for yourself. You can say, hey, I saw you checking me out from across the room, so I thought I'd come say hi. Hi, my name is Albert. And you maintain eye contact as you say it, and with a smile, right? And it's like, she's gonna be like, no, I never did that, whatever, right? And then you just from there carry on, just switch to a different topic. You don't need to be like, oh no, yeah, you looked at me, yeah, sure, you looked at me, ha, no, but you looked, no, right? Just say the line. Introduce yourself, get her name, and then just go into your conversation. Why this line is so perfect is because it lets her know that you saw her, and it comes from the frame that she was the one checking you out. She was interested in you, and that is why you approach, right? Because usually, why I like this situation better than just cold approaching is because the dynamic when you cold approach a girl is you're kind of giving your power away because she knows you came to talk to her because you found her attractive. She has not given any indication, as in a cold approach, she has not given any indication that she likes you, right? So you just came up and there's a kind of a power dynamic there. You're kind of coming, you kind of gave your power away. And then during the interaction, you want to balance out that power dynamic. But when it comes to this, when you say that line to her, the power dynamic, you're not giving away any of your power because you're letting her know, hey, look, I know you're interested in me and I came to say what's up. Now, here's the thing, guys. I just literally broke down what you do when a girl looks at you, right? Maintain eye contact. Make sure you don't break it until she looks away, right? Remember, girls do not approach guys. That is their way of actually letting you know that they like you. So you have to go up and approach. Once you see that eye contact, she's giving it to you and she's smiling, right? And she's actually giving you that smile and giving you that green light to come approach. Walk up to her and then you say, hey, I saw you checking me out from across the room, so I thought I'd come say hi. Simple, right? Okay, guys, remember, there is way more stuff that you need to know when it comes to conversating with a girl and building that attraction after you've made the approach, right? Straight from approach to getting her number, getting her on a date, and getting that late. So if you want to know more about that, check out, I have multiple videos on this channel, okay? Guys, that is the video, and that is all I have for you for today. If you like that video and you saw value in it and you have not subscribed to the channel, guys, come on, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, guys, because I help you guys with your dating question. So if you've seen value in this, share this with a friend, hit that like button. Any comments that you guys have, leave it in the description box below, and I'll see you guys next time.